I have two Japanese maples. They're about 5 years old. I have just noticed that one appears to have two rather large shoots of a different variety that must have been grafted onto the main stem. I would like to prune these different branches. What would be the best time of year to do this? Thanks. And this is Kay from right here in Memphis, Tennessee.
Yeah.
So what's the best time to do the pruning?
Anytime.
Okay.
Anytime that there is some kind of growth that you don't like, you can take it off. Because it just, detracts and takes away nutrients from the plant that you actually want. So, I would cut it off just anytime you start seeing it. If you don't want that part of the plant to grow, then just keep cutting it off every time it starts to shoot up.
Because you can definitely see the difference in the
picture.
picture.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah, the two. So anytime, you can go ahead and just knock that out and you're just fine. Or prune that out. Okay.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.